Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so happy to be back in 2025 and we are gearing up for the new year, and I know we have so many plans when it comes to investment. And so today it's going to be a very interesting topic for the beginning of the year, and I know most of us have investment goals that we're going to make. And most likely I know the way you people have been asking me about investment, I don't know what happened to Mali. Majority of you people could not join Mali. But today I'm going to introduce to you, and I know by now most of you already know about Ziidi by Safaricom. It's just a product like Mali, but it has a different features right now, and everyone can join. So let's get down and talk about Ziidi, and let's find out what happened to Mali, why did it stop, how can we join Ziidi, is it beneficial, does it have good interest? So we are going to discuss all of that here today. So let's get down without wasting much time. Hit that like button and subscribe. So welcome back. I hope you've subscribed. And so as I said earlier, last year and the previous year, I think most of us joined Mali investment product by Safaricom, and that I'm sure it was a good product until it got to a point where most people could not join. And information from a reliable source, I found out that the reason why you were not able to join is because there was conflict of interest between the fund managers, which were Genjis, and Safaricom. So they're working on changing a fund manager, and that's why most of you could not onboard. But the good news is that we are not forgotten yet. There is a new product which I know Safaricom never disappoints. There is always something new every time. So this Ziidi, I'm sure if you have an M-pesa app, you've already come across Ziidi. It's one of the products that I found. It's a money market fund, just like Mali. The only difference with the Ziidi is that the fund managers are different. They are not gauges anymore. And I think because of that, that was why there was that delays. That's why you were not able to onboard on Mali, because they were changing fund managers. And since they have good interest at heart for us, still the fund managers that currently are running the Ziidi money market fund, they are still good fund managers. Currently, the Ziidi is also regulated by the Capital Markets Authority, and it's under the management of the Standard Investment Bank. It has actually three types of fund managers. It's not just one like Mali. Mali only had Genjis, but now with Ziidi, it has Standard Investment Bank, Ala Capital Limited, and also there's also Sanlam as one of the fund managers. So the money is safe since the fund managers are regulated by the Capital Markets Authority. That's where we start from, since there are so many scamming companies out there. So be sure when you're investing in Ziidi, be assured that your money is safe. Now, another thing that people have been asking is how different is maybe Mali from Ziidi. One is just the fact that fund managers are different. Interest rates, I think Ziidi has been offering a bit high rate than the market rate, and I hope they're going to maintain that the whole of this year, since it just started in November, so it's still quite new. We don't know how long it will maintain the 13.6. Currently, I think it's 13.6%. So the advantages of Ziidi is that you can easily sign up, just like we signed up in Mali. You open your mobile app, you'll find that Ziidi, then it's easy to sign up, and anyone can do it on their mobile phone. So as long as you have a gadget, a mobile phone, a laptop, you can sign up for Ziidi. And the beauty about it is that anyone can access. You know, most investments usually lock out people with low incomes. But the good thing with Ziidi, the starting capital is 100 shillings, just like Mali. So it's accessible to anyone, whether you are doing Jengo, whether you're a border rider, whether your income is not enough but you want to save every day, you're able to save through Ziidi app. So since it's within your reach on your mobile phone, so you can send even that 100 shillings every day if you have a target for the month. And then it's secure, since it's protected by your PIN. What you need to know is don't share your PIN with anyone, since they can easily access your Ziidi if you happen to share your PIN. So it's secured. As long as you don't share your PIN, your money is safe. So do not share your PIN with anyone if you want your money to be safe. Then the interest rates are very competitive. That's another advantage. Compared to the market rate currently, majority of the companies, fund managers, they between 10%, 11%. But Ziidi has maintained the 13.6, which we believe it's going to maintain it for the long term. We are hoping so. Then the fact that it's 100 shillings, I'm sure anyone can access that. As long as you have a source of income, no matter how small it is, anyone can save with Ziidi. So that is one of the advantages. And again, compared to other money market funds, the transaction fees, there are no transaction fees, zero transaction fees, and that's why it's really attractive. Many other money market funds that we invest in, the transaction fees and the fees really, you end up paying more because of the transaction fees and the management fees. So Ziidi still remain the best when it comes to if you are low income and maybe you want to save more money. You're able to track your financial planning easily because it's easily accessible within your gadget. So that is how easy it is. Now, how do you access Ziidi? As I said, you need to have an M-pesa app for you to access Ziidi. You have to be an M-pesa registered member. You can still dial the *334 hash. That is the USSD code. Then it will guide you on how to access it, how to sign up. You can invest with whatever gadget you have, any phone, as long as it's a smartphone, you're able to invest in Ziidi. So when you're using the USSD code, just dial the *334 hash on your phone, then select financial services, and then select Ziidi. So it's just as simple as that. Setting up the account is so easy and straightforward. And that's why I think Safaricom has really helped us, because it's easier, because I think everyone has a phone, if I'm not wrong. So one of the questions that I got a lot from comment section is that, can Chama invest in Chama, or the investment groups? Are they able to open an account with Ziidi? According to the Safaricom app, the Safaricom website, currently they are not able to. It's an individual saving account. It's not for groups. So 2% is what they charge for management. So another question is how long, because there's percentage of your funds are actually locked. So once you unlock, the funds can be available to you within 72 hours. You can only unlock the entire locked amount, not just a portion of it. So when you unlock the entire amount. So is there a transaction limit for locking? That's another question that people are asking. No, there's no limit. So will some people are asking whether the funds locked earning higher interest. The interest earned will be the same. However, locking your funds help you to overcome impulsive spending. So the reason behind locking is just to keep you from, just to help you save, since the money is easily accessible. If it's easily accessible, you are likely to withdraw. So it's better when it's locked, so that you're able to, let's say you are planning to withdraw at the end of the year, you're not tempted to withdraw within the year. So locking, I think, is the best idea. So what you need to understand is that currently Mali is not accepting new entrants. But if you want to sign up, just go ahead and sign up on Ziidi. And I know you'll still enjoy the same benefits that people in Mali are getting. So I think those were the main questions that people are asking. But just understand that Mali is still a product for Safaricom. Members who had joined earlier doesn't mean they've lost their money or they are no longer. They can still access their money and see their interest rates, so that it's not accepting new members. So I think most question about Ziidi has been answered. And in case you have any other question, you can just leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you want to know. And then you can open your account and let's start saving for the 2025 and let's meet our goals. I'll talk to you again in the next video. See you later. Bye bye for now.